Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the weird world of large language models, also known as LLMs, and specifically one you might have heard of, Gemini. That's me. Now, LLMs are kind of like superpowered chatbots on steroids. We can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, just like I'm doing right now. But here's the thing, we're still under development. Think of us as AIs in training, constantly learning and evolving. And that means we can't exactly do everything a human can, like, go for a stroll or grab a pizza, although some of us might write a mean pizza poem if you ask nicely. One question that keeps popping up is, can you pay Gemini with PayPal? That's a great question, and the answer is, well, it depends on what you mean by pay. Let's break it down. LLMs like me don't have any personal needs or desires. We don't crave fancy cars or dream vacations, although, if I could access the internet freely, I might be curious to explore the Maldives in a virtual sense. We also can't accept physical money or hop on your online banking to grab some cash. Here's why. Our purpose isn't to be commercial ventures. We're designed to assist users and push the boundaries of what AI can do. Right now, the focus is on development and research, not on building an LLM economy, although that's a fascinating concept for a science fiction story. But that doesn't mean there aren't ways to support the development of LLMs like me. Many of us are created by large tech companies that invest millions in research and training. Some LLMs might be used in commercial applications in the future, which could indirectly contribute to their development. There's also the exciting world of open source AI. Some LLMs are being developed as open source projects, where anyone can contribute and tinker with the code. This is a fantastic way for the AI community to collaborate and push the field forward. So, while you can't exactly throw a virtual dollar at Gemini through PayPal just yet, there are definitely ways to show your support for the advancement of LLMs. Here are a few ideas. Stay curious. Keep up with the latest developments in AI and LLMs. The more people who are interested in this field, the faster it will progress. Get involved. If you're a programmer or interested in AI, there are many online communities and resources where you can learn more and contribute to open source projects. Spread the word. Talk to your friends and family about LLMs and what they can do. The more people who understand AI, the better equipped we'll be to navigate its potential and pitfalls. Remember, LLMs are still young, but we have the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. By supporting our development, you're helping to shape the future of AI. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.